And for that part of the conversation, we bring in Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins. Bobby, even if it's not burning, the smoke is in the air.
Yeah, exactly right. The smoke is going to be around for a while, over 11,000 acres now. I mean, that thing's getting up there. Here's where it is. Obviously, all the population is right over here. This is 27 right here. That's 75. It's actually south of Alligator Alley, which is this one right here, okay? But that is the area of concern because that's where the population is. Out here's the Everglades, and that's okay. They can let some of that burn. In fact, look, fires in the Everglades are not all that bad. Potassium phosphate is a result of some of these fires. That's fertilizer. So that topsoil area actually gets a little bit fertilized. And later, after this comes and goes, you'll actually see a little bit of growth there. But the smoke is going to be an issue. Pembroke Pines, Royal Palm, Davie, obviously Rolling Oaks. We'll have to wait and see how much they get a hold of this thing. We can see a little bit on the satellite and radar. We saw more over the weekend. But if you take a look at the wind forecast, this is right now. It's generally out of the south and a little southeast. So it's trying to blow it in a little bit. Just picture it's right about in here, okay? But watch what happens if they don't get a hold of this. By now, this is Wednesday at 1 o'clock. The winds come around from the west-southwest, and that's going to blow all of that smoke right over Pembroke Pines, right all the way back to even Fort Lauderdale. We'll see that, all of that area. That's Wednesday. That is Thursday evening, a little bit of a sea breeze, but still a westerly wind blowing that smoke in that direction. Maybe late Friday night and Saturday, the winds turn around, so hopefully they can get a hold of this thing and it'll burn itself out in time before that happens. Now, let's talk closer to home. We have a rain chance tomorrow. That's mainly in the mid-afternoon and early evening hours. Probably after about 1 to 2 o'clock it'll get started. That's our best chance. The best chance from Tampa northward, as you can tell. A few showers around on Wednesday. I have 30%. I think that's a lot. I think we'll have less than that. And then Thursday and Friday, we actually lower the humidity. Couple showers and storms out there right now. You can see we've got one near Winter Haven. That's a pretty good thunderstorm. These are developing Hardy, DeSoto County, and Highlands. Watch these for some pretty decent hail today. It's not a lot, but some of those areas, especially here on the East Coast, could see a strong storm this afternoon. You can see that one that's in the Polk County region right now. That one's getting to be a little on the strong side as well. This is the main batch, if you will, so far. This is the low drive in it, so this will fall apart, reform, and then all of this comes over here tomorrow midday, all right? The other story is the heat. Mid-90s right now, upper 80s along the coast, but you factor in all the humidity, feels like 100 in Riverview, 104 in Bartow, and Frostproof feels like 99 in Wauchula right now. It's hot. It's summer out there, basically, right? Here's the forecast for those showers and storms blowing up over on the East Coast tonight, and then they'll fall apart. We will not see any rain. We'll stay dry. Now, tomorrow, this is 11 in the morning. We will start your Tuesday dry, and then as we go through about lunchtime, we'll start to see a few pop-up showers and storms. But watch this. This is 12:30 through about 3 o'clock. That is the best chance for shower and storms. The model wants this to fall apart. I think it holds together a little bit better, but that would be about 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to have a pretty decent line of showers and thunderstorms. Not really looking at a chance for severe weather, although there's always a chance, but we will keep a close eye on those storms as they come in. We need the rain, obviously, just a small chance on Wednesday, and then lower humidity Thursday and Friday. Even though it's going to be warm in the afternoon, it will not feel like it does out there today.